great good morning to our conscious Nigerian people, Edo people worldwide, and remain my humble self. Your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Sazosa Mahmoudi, the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Sadi Enterprise, in fact, the CEO of Oman, Edo State. I just want to send a clear message to the people of Islam. A very important message. First, I want to commend you. Yes. For some time now, we have been seeing the social media space. People tend to whip up unnecessary sentiment. But the real sons and daughters of Islam came out. They stood firmly in respect to the issues bedeviling Joker Boy. I saw a comment this morning. One guy, a post. One guy came online to write, "This is the time to stand up. This is the time to stand up." You need to see the response of the Islam people against that same Islam. And I need to first of all thank Architect Mike Onolememe for coming out to apologize on behalf of Joker Boy. For those who are sincere enough, we know Joker Boy family. After the apology by the minister, the then minister, Joker Boy came out on the video to say, "I didn't send anybody to apologize on my behalf." And these same people in that comment section made reference to when Joker Boy insulted Chief Anthony Arakon Anemi. And it's a mal at that. So first, if the actions of the Islam people continues like this, believe me, nobody can challenge them in respect to the next governorship election in Edo State. Nobody. Because they have been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that yes, we are one Edo. Even when some selected few wanted to raise unnecessary sentiment, they said no. No. Go and check their videos online. They all came out vehemently to condemn such action. We should be appealing to appropriate quarter to please allow Joker Boy to go. Not for some persons to be saying, no, they say we are condemned. It's our right. No. The elder in Benin, the elder in Island, and the elder in Edo North are all elders and they are our fathers. They must be respected. Not to talk of about the traditional ruler. How on earth will I come out now to begin to insult the Enogi of Urumbi or the Okaiji son of Islam? If I does that and I does that under the name of I'm a Benin man, a Benin culture never taught us how to disrespect elders. So if I try that, I am doing that on my own. And anyone who supports me from the Benin extraction will be a bad person. He or she will be a bad person. So I want to commend the good people of Islam. I just dey wake up. I did bed since I did read the check activities. I said no. If I not come and talk this one, let me say I bad. It's not easy. You need to see the comments. What will be the name of that forum again? Let me check whether Urumi voice. See the way some people they talk. Say, don't say that. Don't say that. Any wise person will see what Joker Boy do. Yeah? There's no except that person don't get mama and papa. He can't support. He can never forget about the tribalism that some persons want to bring into being. No. It is also true that we are all one in Edo. And the people of Islam has displayed a true maturity. Do you know what it takes for a minister to come out to say, I beg, may they forgive me. We know say, boom, they're not good for anybody. We know that one. Yes. But that actions should not be tied to the entire Esan people, because the Esan people came out to condemn it. Some of us don't even need to talk again, because anyone who will talk, I'll let come commend them now. I know if you come talk, say this is how we're going to do this, what we're supposed to do. No, the reason is that appropriate quarters, the Esan people came out vehemently to condemn such action, and that is why they must as well earn our own respect for standing tall on the path of truth. For those who are not aware of history, forget the manipulated history that some persons are trying to play or wrong narrative. Esan came from the palace. The people of Edo North came from the palace. The Benis came from the palace. Esan was a king, was a chief in palace. Go and check your history. So the Benin, we the Benin cannot just totally lay claim to say, now our own, not be now. It is all of us own. The tradition is for everybody. Forget the diversity in terms of tongue. Go to Igwebe today, you are in a Benin and they speak there. Which Esan language they want to speak when we not go here? Which Esan language they want to speak when we not go here? And which Benin want to speak with Esan man not go here? Or even when we school that type we do not. If they play music, you know, as in you off your own begin listening to that their music. You know as how cheap people usually speak now. All those that don't know music, not your tradition. So we are one. I think we must continue to learn how to maintain this. Just recently, we had some discussions, and we begin to see reasons. Listen, governorship not really matter where you come. What it matter be say at the end of the day, can that person see everybody as one? That's the basic principle of leadership. The reason why Nigeria is having problem today is that the president refused to see Nigerians as one. It is the truth. The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria have refused to see Nigerians as one. The same country is chasing Igbo here and there. Excuse me. The same country is chasing Igbo here and there. Nnamdi Kanu under incarceration. Gumi, that hopefully celebrate banditry, is moving freely in the streets. Nnamdi Kanu kill and die. Igbo catch and die. But Gumi, another band. We get evidence, pictures, and the rest. When a whole sitting governor will stand, bandit the whole go he go use my talk, bandit. Because the government wants to ban it. The government refused to call them terrorists. They now call them armed banditry. What are they? What are the agitation? Not until recently, not because of the banditry according to the federal government, because that is terrorism. We wouldn't have known that there are goats in Zamfara. These people have been exploiting the house in secret. But the oil in Niger Delta belongs to the whole Nigeria. If not because of banditry, we would have known that gold exists in Zamfara. They kept it. Then they eat them. When the sharing formula not come good, so come carry arm against others. Nigerians got to hear what they cause the arm. Now we know say gold issues there. When they don't exploit for years. All of us will celebrate say the federal government has passed the PI bill. Go and check it. Petroleum Industrial Bill. Go and check it. Go and look how many percent they go there. That is not a PI bill for the South. That was not what we are looking for. That's not been what we are looking for. So the only panacea, in fact, some people, you need to do more. You need to do more. Do you know what you need to do more? Where you need to do more is let us now continue to build on the existing actions that you guys have taken. Because some of us we were thinking that oh, the way this thing happened, we want to see the way they want it happen. Una shame us. Una shame us. More look what they want to, more just see. We were the expect say una want to do benny. Una make us the shame. For you, do you think it is easy to come out and stand tall, say the truth? More even forget the status or the respect accruing to the throne. Imajoka and minus the throne in itself. Can you Imajoka about being a mate? No man minus throne was okay as an ordinary individual. When you just come and say, hey, begin to, it's not clear. And thank God, no single Isama or woman support them. Forget say some few be one try they raise. Now say some class, come on. Bini say what I mean of one and you know, but what you want to talk again? When the be say those people where they in charge of their time, they'll call them to others, they don't try that. So for now, with so much remaining, and this little thing will not do so. This little thing will not fit, you can say small. But to some of us, it gives us reasons to say, yes, when it's time for us to do what is right, we will do what is right to ensure that there is equitable distribution. No, when it comes to issue of power, equitable distribution. No group of persons should be relegated to the background. Democracy belongs to all of us. If you do not have the population to get it, let others add their population to yours to get it. It is very important for everyone to have a taste of it. It's important. You have convinced some of us beyond reasonable doubt. It is not easy. What you did, some of us may not be able to do it. So waiting, we will not feel the one person one will clap for her. It's not easy for you to stand straight. You know, Bena, when even they come from your house, you suppose Bena. You're not Bena. You stuck up as a being. At least you deserve commendation. You deserve it. And I enjoin all of us to continue to walk in peace, to continue to walk in love. If you want the state to be okay, just recently, they have launched Atanagba. They have launched Atanagba. I dread when I say, we know so we get full security network in the state. We know the Vigilante Assembly inaugurated by the governor of Edo State, represented by the man in charge, Aruna. But that alone, you see the name Atanagba. At least this is a clear example of what we call leadership. Leadership. Not be gragra. And I hope that by the power of God, because we are gradually giving up on the police, that's the truth. That's just the simple truth. We have given up on the police. So, as we speak today, we believe that with the collective synergy by the Atanakpas and those other vigilante groups in the state, in collaboration with the police, if they are willing, we can put an end to the security challenge in Auchi Road, Benin Auchi Road. now, self, we can't see and say things self even they can. For Auchi, that I want to go school for Auchi. You cannot see if S-men do one or two. For Auchi town. Auchi town. Where boys they use hand pursue Wogon. Auchi town. We know when we day school, they'll not be saying we gentle, we learn to be gentle by force. You want to go misbehave. Say you be for one S-man, you go keep it for bush. It happens while I was in school. I said the youth mobilize enter bush. That's all. Ask S-man, they know if they do not. Ask them, they know if stay. Now here, Edo South the office stay. And some part of Edo Central. And now I believe Edo Central is waking up to responsibility. Ask yourself, have you ever seen them say one Fulani key somebody for Edo? You know fit. They know they know the go station. But do not, they're not the go station. I will know that one. We go school there. You know if people misbehave, you will be student. When say you come for us, you misbehave. I say all through our time for school. Now only 2008. That from the history of the school. 9 confra killing DG for our Chipoli. Whether you be purple, you be us blood. As far as they be indigent, 9 go say Rama, Dr. Bra say that we they come. All those one on their own, they go enter us. You not go understand. When it's set, at the end of the day, you not go, yes, say man, when did you go? Now let 2008. 9 digit drop for our Chipoli. And the war not be small war then. I don't know about after 2008. That's to tell you the level of unity of these people. But when I did school then, I get one of my very close friends now, they watch me for me and I get clash. Now you go to remove men con. The men will remove con. Benima follow them. There is about 4 Benin people will come. I mean they come about say men don't block me because the team we get 1 or 2 issues we play. I see and say man, one of the say man, what did they saw? I say man, what did they saw? The next one I hear, hey man, I'm man. The guy not because me not resemble Benin no man. If you see my head now, it can make your one kind black. You know say me resemble Ibuga in the way. I don't say when mommy go here to when you do theory, not do but when. I will agree. Why go okay, why do they make me now? When. Are you not use when me they don't speak Benin because I hear them when they speak Benin. When. Now you can begin reason because you matter. You know what the team man will you know, my brother. It's me more well. Where they are what do you well? Even where who graduate na or for me time where you alone. Go and check Edo Central. Maybe talk so. Confront boys full Edo Central. You don't ever see say the carry go for anyone for. When he said that time for you don't run goes hide for a salon. Men go go there. Don't they see each other? They don't they act. But for here in Edo South, men they carry gun. They find brother. They go poke. You see that they say 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 2-3. Now we say that they can't ball now human being. On a daily basis, you continue to see reduction of manpower and capable personnel in the society. And the worst part of it, have you ever seen a confirmed madman where they go shoot? They know they shoot confirmed madman. They know they shoot confirmed beggar. We now say, give me food. You must be a doctor. You must be an engineer. You must be a chemist, a medical student. You must be a great man in the society before they come to kill you. Because say they don't want make color A, color B, color C get great man. If they don't know say invariably, indirectly, they are destroying the society. If you kill a doctor might be on ground and die. You have ended up killing over 2,000 persons. With that doctor will treat all through his career. If you kill an automobile engineer, the possibility of making vehicle in Nigeria has been reduced. If you kill a nurse, even if doctor will give birth to your sons and daughter, certainly there will be no assistance from the nurse who will play a huge role. So when you are killing your great men, you are not, see, let me tell you the simple truth. One individual can better a society. One person. He could change narrative. That's why people they put hope on say we need a good government. We need a good president. We need a good governor. We need a good local government chairman. The reason is that this one person, if they are sincere, they can impact on the society. But what about if you kill your experts? You kill your experts and you are expecting development. You are wasting your time. It won't come. It won't come. If we are willing to say the truth as it is, those youth who are causing problem in Edo State are from the southern part of it. Not be say, oh, I'm talking to you based on experience. In fact, I never come up for Edo State like that. The highest place when I don't go na Ghana and Cotonou. Cotonou na motor carry me go, I go buy motor for person. That time we see the hustle. So all those normal liberals, anything with money follow come out, we pull it, take get trans. Now we take go buy motor come, carry come Nigeria. Come and the person deliver and they still give us our Ebuje. The other one, and sometime in 2017, I be where me and my family come out, go stay. Yes, immediately after Governor Obaseki elections of the 2016 election, we come out, spend some few days in Ghana. Aside that, now this baby I did, now this Edo I did. I don't school here, I don't stay here. In fact, you not get any street you want to make sure for this Edo state. We even if say I never reach there. Even if say I don't know the name, I don't reach there. Where you want to talk for Edo North? Where you want to talk for Edo Central? I don't spend more than 3 months for Igwebe. I stay there renters. I stay Igwebe. So where you want to tell me? Irua na 247. I did Irua. Ekboma. When we even day school, when we find go the also Shenkers. Before we come serious in school, when they from school move, go look for Shenkers. For Ekboma. We say no, me and you fair, they go look for Shenkers for Ekboma. So what you want to tell me? So with this experience, I will tell you, if we want to put an end to the, let's place our beam light and search light on our brothers in the south. And I thank God today. I see the talk and I say, come. The reason why you hear is say, you don't know those south we no holding. You don't know them south we no holding. Those men and the day be new. No. The real men we supposed to. Many don't travel. SARS pursue some. They can't enter abroad. So they look way now, they laugh and say the time with data will be all these children. Or the time with data, who know all this one? When I live there, when I live. Who are the things say maybe now we did? No. Now people only forgive you. For this town with this. People only forgive you. If they not forgive you, you will hear them immediately. People they will be say, where the day for diaspora? They'll feel from there, activate, they'll beat you for Benin. They're not there Benin, they don't even come out for Benin for like 15 years, 20 years. As you misbehave, they'll say, boy, now you don't do too much. From where they did, they'll sit down, they'll send, they'll beat you for us. You're still shocked. So nobody don't pass with the beat. That's why people don't understand when people like come and they say, yeah, but we know the town with it. Now let fool go say, he don't know say men, they say now men be men. You say nobody, no, people they. When you want to know, say people they. Now when they catch you, you know there way they go again. Go and don't block, no movement. You can't know say people they, but then you're too late. Just try and make them not catch you. Live your life in peace. No assume follow the next man because even small pikin for street now. Na terror. We need to be careful. So I want to say a very big thank you to the good people of Eastern. I don't want to rush make statements now, but with this, with what you have displayed, you have shown beyond reasonable doubt that the character traits to model a better society can be found in you. And I enjoin you to put your house in order. Not let quarrel be when you want to bring who you want may represent us. Be very gonna negotiate, may not create division. What you are fighting for will get to you in Jesus' name. Because this one self shock us. It shocked me. It shocked me, I know tell you that. So we need to work hard to build a better society. Let's work hard. You have done your own. We need to as well do our own. So I'm saying this to our brothers and sisters. No, let's remove our women for those are not they give us problem. That's the truth. Now we will be the men, including Sakolokodi, now will be the problem. Our women in those sides not giving us problem at all. At all. Now we will be the boys, the men, now be the problem. You go if you just see 3 people sit down, for them to dey talk say man, how far? How far? I the way we are going to move this thing forward, we know it's doing the work. Let's try. They're not do like that. So you see the man. The way this happen, hold it to the art. This boy, he don't play am, man. What I do you before I waka pass? People like us now, if we go for strong, what would they do? You don't say maybe all this one are evil. No, when I want we, that's what we tell you waka. But some men we also which one? That don't mean say we dey tell you say we be olele. No, we not be olele, but we know say if we say we not be olele, the next man said not be olele. So we fair room where people know say it be the room from them, it be the room from them, but you not gonna get where follow again. Now you wait, now make the issue set. Then when you go judge am, now people they tell you say when they see you the way they do this boy, if they run from you. So if we do you shit, they will support us do you the more. Anyway you can't go, they get support base because we not first do you. We even the wrong. You can't even show say you can't be like say we self weak. No. It is only a fool that will rush into it. Let me tell you, I want to give you my personal experience. While I was doing my youth service in 2000 and I rounded up from school after many years, I spent good 7 years. For school, I supposed to spend 5 years. Good 7 years for school, I supposed to spend 5 years. Congo youth service. When we just finish, I finished, thank God. Then you immediately they just give me batch A. That time whenever they get batch A string, this string there, now your batch A. Was it something March 12, if I'm not mistaken? And they take carry out. Now they give me my that they just supposed me go Kanu. I love Kanu. Karaye. We are in that the Karaye Kusala Dam. Yeah. The tea where they make for us that time was that I would say Kusala Dam. We enjoying youth service. So sweet in the camp. As we come out for camp, they come make us presiding officers in the elections of 2011. My brother, so we do election finish. This one don't make it fair. Say Jonathan win. Buhari already make statement where it cites the nation. Now be the copper nama. They find all coppers they go. So I want to tell you so where I stay. That's it go. As it reached the time, luckily for that, they don't say women get power. Copper. They don't the key some for power. They don't the key coppers for power. She with the canoe now. Right? They don't defend us. And from where we the Naibawa. Naibawa. Yes. From there to Bukavu Barracks, where we need to go take hostage. That place very far, and this whole terror don't full street. Now they make me not to give all these people who are imagining money. Even this they let the pin out and they give them cover. Because now them for the nuts, now they fight those fights. Not even the northern elite. Now those are imagining in the air. Now they don't. They're not they look back. Even if you give the food or kill you. I'm talking based on experience. Copper nama. Now they are not saying women get power. Now one gets save us. They don't come near our house. They don't come near our house. And they know say that coppers Lord. Now someone get to carry food. And I just saw commandant where they say camp. Where they in charge of activities for camp. Now this guy you carry for your camp. Hello. Okay, you want me to first kill me first before you come save me, Abi? Okay. You want to another girlfriend, Abi? You know what? Let me die. I know where you know. He never even reached how many minutes. Army helicopter don't dey our roof, the road now say thank God. The army helicopter not there our roof. In the road, soldier man who come face our roof. They watch anybody with 1 year the roof. So when those terror see say army don dey grind copper roof, they come go break, they no fit advance again. They no fit advance. Na there infantry vehicle, infantry army just drive come with their healers. Na so we take run come out for that. Ah! Double up, double up, double up, double up, double up, double. Na so all of us double up. Hey, as we enter motor, one boy dey call Melensky. Na me dey give am, na me give am that name. Adela, what Melensky? He said, man, oh God, many babes they feel good now. Me we will be men first, stay first. That's it increase. All of us will meet each other here. Nobody want me mama or papa cry. I must enter these idiots. As I went and I saw the man give me this like, man, he said, go back, you know you to your fellow copper. And I said, sir, my fellow copper is speaking for himself, not me. My fellow copper is speaking for himself, not me. I said, I prefer to die in your hands, sir, than to die for all these boys' hands. I want to enter this motor. As I near them, if you see the another load in the copper, the police, the soldier not mercy at the copper. He wear me another one again. I say, Oga, they wear. I want to enter the motor. As he raise and want to wear me again, now your gatla say, stop. Don't you know this young man have sense? Enter the car. Now enter motor. So I tell you so, I don't cry. Nothing. A soldier, the soldier slap you, you know say police na your friend. The next thing, as they start motor, they move, boom, military vehicle don't come out for the roof. Now the Melensky start to use leg to pursue soldier motor. He go with the motor, enough get that motor again. He dey run. Those men they wait now, make soldier come and they continue. Now Melensky fall. Now tell us, try get up, with this motor to look up. Now he don't enter one police station. Those men enter police station, pursue police, burn everywhere. He run again. Now so he take fine, wait. Those soldiers come got to look for two army drop. Wait, one day one junction, the other day one junction. Where you go to guide the team when they go drop us come back. When Melensky come inside Bukavu Barrack, he dey breathe. He say, man, if I see wetin you pass through, now say, now that thing I don't want me you pass through. Now I say, me you enter motor. You go the phone say, you be rugged man, you want defend. Now that's what you want defend for. Now so we continue do. I come do redeployment. I can't do redeployment. I can't go River State. On getting to River State, if you get one guy, they call him Ejo Baba. Me can go to join the Ejo Baba. When me just take up because what they do for town, now they do for town. You know, we just consider one change. All the couple level is the Ejo Baba, Ejo. Now me consider they say Ejo Baba, the greater Ejo Baba. When we see him, now fellow couple like us, it was the CLO. Ejo Baba, me say Ejo Baba. Me no know say for where they hear na Ejo Baba na fear the fear. He gon can't me join it. Ejo Baba. Some of people me and they do use the service here. They do your life. Nathan Iwema is watching me now. You know what I do. I had to come and we had to argue one day. We just do our normal discussion during this Gaddafi regime. It's a job about your shoe. People, you gather. You tap me, say, leave the road for me. Now say, I Ejo Baba. He say, are you crazy? Ah. I said, Ejo Baba, no. Cost me like that again. I beg, I don't like I can't continue my discussion. Ejo Baba say, you get crazy. Now say, man, I can't begin look. Everybody eyes really there. The eyes of everybody still see me. Ejo the oppressed. They can't even complain for their mercy. Oh, this one will you still come. Now Ejo you see the do like this. So I say support B is there. Now tell Ejo say you will learn your thing. That was my last physical confrontation in 2011. So what do I mean? Why did I cite this example? If you not get support base for something, will not be poor hand. You just by yourself go, you know say what you do not right. You just chop it. No. So the truth of the matter is very simple. the people of Eastern has been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt. I am not coming here to hail you. If you're not still doing well, we will still come and say, man, no, you don't. You deserve to be hailed. Excuse me. You deserve some accolade. That is the truth. For standing tall. You cannot expect, if you watch the video, the way that guy insults our monarch. Let me tell you something. It is our responsibility to protect the monarch from Edo North, the monarch from Edo Central, and the monarch from Edo South. Do you know why? Even if you identify that there are hiccups somewhere, you must protect it, because now you within your tongue will talk say the juju within your tongue not be anything. You within your tongue now you will talk say juju within your tongue not be anything. If you protect am, it's for your own good. It's for your own good. As we speak today, if we not build strong unity, we not get space for Nigeria. We never get space now, we know that one. Only one statement Night Polo make. Minister run from Abuja, come meet them in respect to the formation of NDT's board. When minister reach where other citizens dey, presidents of each of these tribes, Ishekiri national president, Ijo Ijo president, this one president, that one president, they all came out to say, if what Topolo said, you people refuse to agree to it, we may not be able to guarantee the security of oil workers in the region. Federal government immediately swung into action. I want to ask you, you that is from Edo State, who were your representative? Who represents you there? Not be every place governors they go. That one that government want to interact with the people. Who is your leader today? Tell me. The one will be your leader. Now you will say by yourself, kill and scatter. Then when he will come and want to talk for public, you know guilty, you want to say, shut up. What do you want to talk? You and your people don't. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? So for now, or that if peradventure the federal government not approve and begin to give out, you that is from Edo State will say, you see, they are marginalizing them. They didn't give out. When they were fighting for this whole issue, where were you? Where were you? Do you even have a representative? Anybody who went there as an individual. Everybody who went there as an individual. Who and who improve and who be the leader? We don't have. Now, this unity, let me tell you something. Scapegoating must come for people to know whether we are one or not. Not be mad to do the talk out. Jokerboy came out publicly to insult the Benin monarch. Before Benin people start to talk, some people don't already use KB floor now. Before Benin people start to talk, some people don't already the flog am. And He respected personality from the Esau extraction. We're supposed to pretend saying no watch the video. Came out to apologize on his behalf. No other person than architect Mike Onolimem. He came out. To apologize. This same young man come and say, I did not send anybody to apologize. You see, the truth of the matter is very simple. In life, able-bodied men and men who dies in war, while hero lives to tell his story. He go tell you, say, man, you know what they played? 1992 war for Uniben, 2003 war for Ekuba, 2005 war for this. He did all the war. Those was his check. New boys like the ask and say check. What he make? All these people, all these you play, you gain level, check. So you see all this time. He go say, man, oh God. You get one guy, what do they call Melanie? Melanie for 2003. Melanie, he killed the one where they come from the car. He killed the one where they come from Udo. He killed the one where they come from Lagos. That's it. Then he dread down around Melanie. Both them, then when they enter, and Melanie take fall up. The young boys will come and say, Che, where the Melanie now? Go say, oh! 2005. Things play. Now the Melanie show more discharge. Melanie said, no, you know, we want to get this, the other one gone. Before the year, now they all give Melanie, your for your go down. Don't want to say, how you confit so bad? Go say, now somebody remove me, say, go enter from the other side, I like base. But he's living to tell the story. Where is Melanie? Able-bodied man. He died. So, in my joke, I cannot use the brain. Because you hear no sense on social media. You use yourself turn to scapegoat. You turn yourself to scapegoat. This is that way this is so. Even what will come out from your mouth, you need to calculate them first before you talk. Now you come and say, boom. You're the speech word. Nobody is perfect. Now wait till they hear for your mouth until they judge you. The judge will tell you for court, say, with the evidence before me, you might be saying the truth, but you don't have evidence to back your truth. You go to prison. Judge want to judge you because he will say, with the evidence before me. With the evidence before me. So, I beg you, let us now use this as an opportunity to re-straighten and to redefine our collective unity. Any individual will come and preach this unity. Yes, as an individual, at times we get, we be human being. Screwdriver says they come out for person yet sometimes. You say, I don't like. But don't let it become a total culture in your heart that it must be like this. No. It is also true that in life, no man, especially from a Edo State, no man will bring me on that man carrying up for you. Go on. That man ready to die than to allow him. We know. But we're supposed to know areas and areas. The monarchical system in Benin is more than 1,000 years. It is more than 1,000 years. The Igwe festival celebration is more than 800 years. The monarchical system in Benin, in Edo, that of the Britain, forget the fact that they are part of the global power. They cannot say that they are older than us in the monarchical system. This is the place where the king is truly a king. If an Enogie is coming from Edo State, is traveling abroad, he will be respected because the culture is here. I went to Edo Central to carry out survey for one of my brother who just commented not quite long. On getting to Edo Central, na survey I go do. You need to see the palmy. You need to see the bushmeat. I don't tell you like outside that bushmeat when I eat for Edo Central. I never eat bushmeat for a long period of time before I can see bushmeat eat there. You need to see the hospitality. So if I can go there, feel relaxed, and then when they look back, say, hey, me when they do live video at times, I'm not sure, see this book. That alone is enough for us to continue to foster unity. So let us not come out here on this media space to begin to divide ourselves. If somebody does the same in Edo South against the traditional institution in Edo Central, in Edo North, we will be the one to first of all act against such person. The same way our Isan brother acted against a defiant character. So we commend you all and let us continue to walk in unity. The Oba is my Oba. It is your Oba. I can Enoju Rumi or Kaiji-san cannot come out somewhere now. I am sitting on a seat. He comes in, I will say, I may go look for another chair. For what? For what? I'm not going to get up, I will jump, get up. Let's add more respect to these institutions. Although we know imperfection is coming out seriously from that perspective, most of the time in the area of land grabbing. Yes. But on nowhere but on I know. So we commend you all. And when we say land grabbing, coming from that perspective, let me explain. It is true that some elements in the palace are aiding land grabbing, of which the Oba is not aware. And I've told you before, if you want to send message to the Oba, it's either you go to the newspaper to write, the Oba will get it, or you send a DHL message to him. Even that DHL says, I don't even know again, because before you can't bust this package, they go in hand direct. Say you want to go follow that gate to meet him, they'll stop him for road. Baba no see him. Baba no see him. Or you use the social media handle like this, talk, Baba will hear you. Say you want God this normal letter, you go give them for there. They'll block him for road. All they wanted is to be collecting land from various communities. You know, plot to worry men will toss in a so you know, plot to worry men. That's what they do. But we don't allow anybody spoil our culture. So whenever you notice any of those injustices, cry out, we'll help you blow on. Baba go here. If you just notice and say that they bend your matter, cry out, we'll help you blow on quick. Baba go here. Baba will call and say, did I send you that? He will strip them of their traditional rights. You cannot wear traditional shirt and big coins and take turn to monster when they oppress people for street. We don't agree. That's the truth. We are Benin's. It's our right. We are those. It's our right. So this is the message this morning. Some people, thank you. Continue to walk on the path of peace. Let love lead. It's me, your brother, your friend. Come, stand yourselves up. Bye for now.